And look at, we've been doing this for 5 minutes or so. He doesn't go any further than that. I think that's pretty good. And once you've gotten to this stage, see how he comes? I didn't even tell him anything. No hands, no leash. He's right by my side as when we were walking with a leash. He's right behind me. And this is a challenging place too, because there are lots of noises, water, wildlife. There's some fish, frogs hopping into the water. And he's right here. We're just trudging along the lake. So once you've gotten to this point, you're pretty happy with your progress. What you can do is you can allow him to go out in front to explore and not have to be by your side. So what I do is I give him a command, and the word is gonna be Roscoe, go. So I just tell him to go, and then he knows he can go out in front and explore. And this is also going to be useful once you start teaching tricks to your dog and go on an agility course, because then you stand up at the start line and you give them the command go, and that's when they can go out ahead. So that's setting you and your dog up for success in the future. So I gave him the command. Now he's up front, he's exploring. And if I want him to come, Roscoe, come here. Good boy. Then he'll come. Go. And I let him off to go explore again. So that's very important. Don't always tie him up on the leash when you recall the dog, when you call him to yourself, because then eventually he'll start associating coming to you with being tied up and going home. And who wants to do that? He's having fun out here. So once in a while, just call him in, give him a treat, give him a pat down, good boy, and then let him go explore. Because that might be, a bigger treat for him, going out in front and exploring the wilderness than getting a pat on the head from him saying, good boy. You get it.